Hello, this is Gary Oakes. This tutorial is about a plugin for WordPress called Akismet. This plugin allows or stops spamming in terms of your comments and things like that you may have in your WordPress site. So let's have a look how we upload this. So if you go into your dashboard in WordPress and then go to plugins, what we then need to do is add a new plugin. That's exactly what I'm doing here. And you may see Akismet at the top here as shown here because it's a very popular plugin. But if it's not, type in a keyword Akismet and then do a search. And there it is. What you need to then do is to install it, but you may want to understand a bit more about it first. So if you press on more details, and then it brings up a window like this, and you can read up on what Akismet actually does. And you can see how popular it is, and it's got a lot of star ratings as well. So this is a very common light plugin. It's very useful for your WordPress, so I definitely recommend that you install it. So I've just come out of this. So as I said, now is to install now. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to activate it. And now you'll see it in your plugins list. Once it's there, what you can do then, if you go to your dashboard and go to settings, you will see it there, Akismet towards the bottom on in this particular case. And we press on that. Now this is where it gets interesting. It does actually ask for an activation code. You need to press this to go and get it. It will ask for some details, email address, name and password, and then you can sign up. Once you're there, you'll be offered the 3 packages. Go for the basic, select this one, and you can have an opportunity to provide a donation. But if you slide the slider all the way to the left, you could get it for free. Now the only reason I'm giving it for free for this particular case is because I've given a donation in one of my sites already. And that's all it asks for. So it says thank you for purchasing it. Got it. Now at the top there you would see the activation API code. You need to now copy this and go back to your WordPress site where we had it before. So we go to the dashboard, settings, and Akismet. And then we can paste in the activation API code here. And then press the button. To use this key. And that's you all set up ready to go. You will see some graphs above here once you start using it. Here is an example from another website, and this is what you'll see at the top once it starts to stop spam, and it will tell you how many on a daily basis is actually preventing coming through. So this is what you'll see once you start using it. For this site, I've only just uploaded it and got it working, so there are no spam. So just expect to see the table appear once you're operating it. If I now go back to the account overview, this is where we signed up to the website earlier for Akismet. This is where we got the API code from. You now want to add your site. So you just press the add site button here, provide in your website address, and then add the site. And there's some conditions, everything's fine. It's recognized it, and then we just click the close button. Now what this does, it brings down here in the bottom left some more information. So if I press the graph, when we start using it, you'll get more data. There's nothing obviously recorded at the moment because I'm not showing anything, but this is one that has been used, and you can see here some of the stats that appear on the site where Akismet has been used. You can see the numbers and you can see the graphs at the top. So this is another good place to go just if you're interested to understand how this is actually preventing spams. That's Akismet for you. Hope you found this very useful. I would definitely recommend installing it in your WordPress site and take it from there. So see you on the next video. Bye for now.